Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to win on Block Blast. Right, so if you want to win on Block Blast, you have to start from the corners. So whenever you're starting a new game, make sure you start from the corners because it will save you a lot of time, right? And second thing is that, try to make a combo because combo is the best way to increase your score here, right? For example, as you can see, I've got a long stick and it's become really difficult, and in this way I have to try to make a combo as much as I can, right? So this is some of the solution. The next thing is that keep calm and practice regularly daily, and this way you can just try to win on the blocks. And as you can see here, I have struck really badly, but okay, I got a combo here, and I always try to focus on the combos, and I always start from the corners, because if you start from the corners you will get a lot of times in between, and make sure you plan your moves in advance, right? So don't need to worry, you have to just move your plans in advance, and in this way you can just get a block, really a combo really easily, and as well as really interesting way to see to it, right? And this is it guys, I hope you found this video very useful, and make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.